Garlic is a versatile and widely used herb that belongs to the onion family. It is known for its pungent flavor and distinct aroma. Garlic is native to Central Asia and has been cultivated for thousands of years for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Garlic is rich in various nutrients and contains compounds like allicin, which is known for its potential health-promoting properties. Drinking a glass of garlic water every day is often promoted for its potential health benefits. So, without further ado, let's discuss the benefits of drinking garlic water every day. Number 1. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic is known for its potential antibacterial and antiviral properties, largely due to a compound called allicin. When garlic cloves are crushed or chopped, an enzyme called alliinase converts a chemical called allium into allicin. Allicin is a sulfur-containing compound with potent antimicrobial properties. In the case of bacterial infections, allicin disrupts the function of bacterial enzymes and inhibits the growth of various types of bacteria. It can target both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, which are two major groups of bacteria with different cell wall structures. This broad-spectrum antibacterial action makes garlic a potentially effective natural remedy against various bacterial infections. Number 2. Promotes heart health. One of the key components in garlic is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been associated with various cardiovascular benefits. It has the potential to help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Additionally, garlic may aid in reducing cholesterol levels. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of garlic may lead to modest reductions in both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. These effects are attributed to allicin's ability to inhibit the production of cholesterol in the liver. Furthermore, garlic exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, which can play a role in reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Number 3. Boost immune system. Allicin is known for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. When consumed, it may help the body fight against harmful pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This can contribute to a strengthened immune system. Additionally, garlic is rich in various nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese, all of which play crucial roles in supporting immune function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports the production of immune cells. Vitamin B6 is involved in over 100 enzyme reactions in the body, including those related to immune function. Manganese is essential for the activation of certain enzymes involved in immune responses. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory effects may indirectly contribute to a stronger immune system. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system over time, so the anti-inflammatory properties of garlic may help maintain a balanced and healthy immune response. Number 4. Rich in nutrients. When garlic is infused in water, it releases various compounds, including vitamins and minerals, which are then diluted in the liquid. Garlic is notably a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system, aids in collagen production for healthy skin, and helps the body absorb iron from plant-based sources. Vitamin 6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a crucial role in metabolism, brain development, and the production of neurotransmitters. Manganese is a trace mineral that supports bone health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and acts as an antioxidant to protect cells from damage. By infusing garlic in water, you allow these nutrients to disperse throughout the liquid, creating a drink that can be easily consumed. Number 5. Digestive health. Garlic contains various bioactive compounds, including allicin, which has been studied for its potential positive effects on the digestive system. Allicin is known for its antimicrobial properties, which may help to combat harmful bacteria in the gut. Additionally, garlic is a source of prebiotic fibers, which serve as food for beneficial probiotic bacteria in the digestive tract. This can promote a healthy balance of gut flora, supporting optimal digestion and absorption of nutrients. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. While individual responses may vary, incorporating garlic water into one's diet in moderation may contribute to a healthier digestive system. Number 6. Weight loss. Allicin has potential to boost metabolism and stimulate fat-burning processes in the body. Additionally, garlic has been associated with reducing cravings for high-calorie foods, which can contribute to a lower overall calorie intake. Furthermore, garlic's natural anti-inflammatory properties may help regulate insulin levels and improve blood sugar control, potentially preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating. Its ability to enhance digestion and support a healthy gut microbiome may also play a role in maintaining a balanced weight. Number 7. Improves respiratory system. When garlic is consumed, allicin is metabolized in the body and releases sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds have been shown to help combat infections and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, that help strengthen the immune system, providing an extra layer of defense against respiratory infections. Furthermore, garlic's ability to thin mucus and promote expectoration can be beneficial for individuals with conditions like bronchitis or congestion. And that's the end of the video. As always, if you have any health concerns, it's essential to seek advice from a professional healthcare provider. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.